My name is Perttu. I'm one of the parkour professionals who's been developing the Lapset's parkour equipment. These. Parkour or free running is actually a hard one to define. In parkour we use the obstacles from our everyday environment to make the new and creative movement possible. It includes, for example, jumping, leaping, vaulting, climbing and so on.
Lately the number of practitioners of parkour has been growing worldwide. The fact that there's no competition and there's no right or wrong way to do things. For example, if you want to go over an obstacle, you can always find your own way. These are the facts that inspire especially young people, both boys and girls, to move. Safety, responsibility and conditioning play an important role in the training of this rather new sport. All the techniques are learned and taught safely, step by step.
Our work as parkour professionals consists of teaching in our parkour academy and developing it, and we also perform in different kind of events and productions.
We are used to cope with our everyday environment in our training, but with Lapset we were given a great chance to design a totally new parkour equipment.
In our parkour academy we teach people from 2 to 60 years old with various skill levels. The understanding gained through the teaching has been a key point in the development process of the equipment. For example, to be able to train vaults safely, the vault rail must be quite much lower for an 80-year-old than it needs to be for an adult. And the same thing applies in the placing of the equipment and the final layouts of the parks.
Our actual work started by sitting down with my design team, and then we draw some sketches and put them into computer and made some 3D models. The work with the designers was really interesting. It was like going back to childhood. It was like playing with blocks. If you say to the designer that move this bar a bit lower, and it was instantly done. Later on now, after a few months, I can hang from the same bar.
The main focus with the design team was to create, from a parkour point of view, as many functions to a single equipment as possible. For example, if the precision rail offers a good spot for training your balance, but if we place a precision ball next to it, we get also a good place for training precision jumps. At the same time, taking into account the safety aspects, such as non-slippery surfaces and the safety ground.
After the first sketches of the equipment, we have been commenting the layouts of the different parkour parks. Here in the prototype area in Rovaniemi, we've been teaching for different age groups, for really young kids and then a bit older teenagers, just to see how the equipment works. It's been really good.
The whole thing has had a very promising start, which means we don't stop here. There will be new equipment, there will be new layouts, and soon we will publish tutorial videos which show you how to train the parkour movement safely. So, see you around.